That's cool, huh? Santa Claus. Is he coming here? Is he? Let's go. Riv, what is it? Oh, there they go. Whoa. A crevasse? In there looks like where they filmed Stand By Me.
What's Stand By Me?
It's a movie. You would like it. It's with Will Wheaton. As a matter of fact, River Phoenix was in it. He had the same name as your brother. You doing the Michael Jackson? It's called the Moonwalk.
River forced me to hold him.
He forced you?
Yeah.
He's half your size.
Whoever goes to those cones first wins. Okay.
Under the bridge. Pet Cemetery.
Stop.
That's where they filmed it.
Stop. That's creepy. This is the Zoe cam. I am afraid I'm gonna drop my guys.
Good job. Cool, huh? Tippy and Buddy. How did Buddy get up there? We don't know. We don't know. Let's go see Zoe. What are you working on?
Card from